In this video, I'll be covering what are square roots. Square roots are numbers when multiplying by itself will become the number under the square root. So below are 4 examples and we're gonna find the square root of each number. First example, we have a square root of 64. So what number times by itself would become 64? And we can tell that 8 times 8 equals 64, so the answer would be 8. For the second example, we have 25. So what number do we place in these two boxes? Multiplying by itself will become 25. And the answer is 5. So a square root of 25 would be 5. Now what about the third example, square root of 49? What same numbers can we place in a box that would give us 49 as the answer? And the answer is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. And lastly, we have square root of 81. And we can tell that 9 would be the answer to that. So the answer of square root of 81 is 9. So these 4 are examples of how you would find square roots. We also have another video, which is a fast math trick that you can find square root would not result in a whole number, which you can also calculate in your head. And you can find that in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.